I had gotten sick, and my wife finally said, "You need to go get checked." We went to go get checked at the hospital, and that's where I found out my blood was out of whack. They finally came back and said it was leukemia that I had. And it sort of took my breath for a second. I lost my mother when I was 4 to cancer. And at that moment, I realized that most of my life I've been waiting for this booger to show up. And when it was there, it was like, well, it's no shock to me. So I figured right then, it was like I had a choice to make, and I made it. And it's like, I refuse to fear this thing. I'm not scared of it. And I spoke directly to it, wherever you're running through in my blood, I ain't afraid of you. I was in chemo. I was up in the middle of the night, and I was getting sick. And it was about 3 o'clock in the morning. But I had this epiphany that just filled me full of joy. It hit me in the middle of it. That's not the cancer that I'm feeling. What I'm feeling is the results of it killing the cancer. And I thought, so this discomfort is actually on my side. Another thing is you gotta have the confidence in the team that's working on you, especially in the place I was coming from. My white blood cells were 240,000. They said I should have had a heart attack or a stroke. And I was sitting up on the bed and said, okay, well, let's do all this with that. Now what? What do we do now? I just trusted the professionals, ran and got the greatest treatment from the best people around. My doctor, Dr. Sumrall, he's very in tune. You have to care to be like that. These are really incredible people. Everything we needed was right here. I mean, it couldn't have been no better if I had gone elsewhere, I think. I've never left out of here not feeling happier than when I walked in here. Everybody was amazing.